You are either investing or just throwing your money into the market to be consumed. If you don't fully understand the stocks you hold, you are not an investor. You are just prey for sharks and whales. The stock market is like a vast ocean, where people rush in with dreams of transforming their lives. It's full of opportunities, but also dangerous, with deadly risks. That ocean doesn't only have small fish rushing in for food, but also sharks and whales hiding, waiting to hunt. If you don't understand the nature of this ocean, you will become prey in a bloody hunt. Once, I tested the power of the crowd with just a tweet about Bitcoin, a simple line, and immediately, Bitcoin's price surged. Thousands of people rushed in to buy, without knowing its real value. I didn't do it out of malice, but to teach a practical lesson. The crowd is not a place you should trust. A whale just needs to create a wave, and the small fish are immediately swept in, with no way out. This is how the financial ocean operates. The small fish swim on the surface, picking up scraps from the waves. But what they don't know is that every wave originates from the tail flicks of a whale. They create big waves not to help you, but to push you into even more dangerous areas. When the crowd gathers, the sharks appear. They don't just target the small fish, but also try to tear apart the bigger fish in a ruthless slaughter. Remember, the most crowded places are often the most dangerous. When you follow the crowd, you are not just part of it, but also the easiest target. Small fish, due to their lack of experience, are often attracted to areas that seem safe and full of food. But in reality, these are traps set by whales. Small fish may win a few small victories, picking up some scraps, but then they are swept away by the waves or become a feast for the sharks. I have a friend who is a very good investor. He never brags about the profits he makes, never participates in forums or sells courses. He still works like an ordinary person but quietly invests with intelligence and strategy. Clearly, he understands that if you are a small fish, you need to wander alone, swim in secrecy, and attract no attention. The sharks and whales will ignore you because you are not big enough to be a target. Most people fail because they don't understand the stocks they hold. They buy because of rumors, because they see the price rising quickly, or because the crowd is rushing in. But do you really understand what that company does? Do you know who the CEO is? What their vision is? Do you understand the problem their product is solving? If the answer is no, then you are not investing, you are gambling. Ask yourself, are you ready to hold that stock for 15 years? If not, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Greed is your biggest enemy in this market. When you win a few small times, you might become overconfident, thinking that you have mastered the game. But in reality, those small wins are just bait. The whales create the waves, the sharks tear the flesh, and you become the next target. A good stock is not the hot name in the market. It's the ownership in a company that actually creates value. You need to understand the company you are investing in, from its products to its leadership team and long-term vision. Take the time to research, read financial reports, meet people working in that company. If you don't feel like this company is a part of your family, don't invest. A smart investor always goes alone, quietly and consistently. You don't need to announce to the world what you are doing. Work in secrecy, invest quietly, and let the results speak for you. Don't let yourself be pulled into the chaotic crowds, because that's where the big players hunt. Be careful of common traps in the market. Pump and dump schemes are one of them. Sharks inflate stock prices, create waves, and then quickly sell off. You'll be the one left holding the losses. Courses promising fast wealth are just tricks to lure you in. If the person teaching you how to get rich really knew how to do it, would they need to teach you? In-depth articles and analyses are sometimes just manipulation tools designed to lead you astray. Focus on companies that truly create value, especially those that innovate in technology for life. When you invest in these companies, you're not only earning profits, but also contributing to a better future. Investing is not a game or a gamble. It is a commitment to the future. It's how you place your trust in big ideas. Don't let yourself become prey to the market. Master the ocean with smart strategies, patience, and long-term vision. Technology for life is the future. When you invest wisely, you're not only building your personal finances, but also shaping a better world. So, what will you choose today? To be the small fish led astray, or to be the one shaping the future for yourself?